What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jason, coming at you one more again. Taking a peek inside TLR Driver Joe Ellis's 8X E, and we start off with electronics. He's running Tekin ESC here. This is the RX8 Gen 3. Powering everything is a Trinity battery. Let's see what milliamp that is. 6,000 milliamp. Okay. Alright. Tekin motor. And then he's running a Cavalier servo for steering. Oh, I guess we'll start here. He's using the Losi short course truck servo case, an electronic, I guess, case. He just likes the sleeker look of that case. But yeah, he's using a short course, TLR short course truck servo electronic or receiver mount, and he said it bolts right up. And it's just a sleeker look. Here's the other side of that servo case from the short course truck. He's got his receiver just mounted on the side right there with his transponder, aluminum servo horn. He built this kit stock, so stock as it is. You know, same thing as everybody else would buy. On this kit, you can have the option of putting the Lexan wing on. But as I say, he just built this stock as just like anybody else would get it. Let's see, look at the back of it here. Here's the back of Joe's 8XE. Like one thing he did do, he 3D printed this wing spacer here. As you can see, it's got little braces in between the spacer, but he 3D printed this here. He did say anybody's interested, just hit him up and he'll send you the maybe send you the file so you can 3D print your own. Okay, yeah, here's the rear. He's got the carbon inserts in the arms. I think he's also got them up front. We'll go ahead and go up front. Okay, here's up front of Joe's 8XE. That's where he's got his casters and stuff like that. And like I mentioned before, on the rear, he's got his inserts up front also. I think that's a option part. I'm not sure, but I think that's an option part. As I stated, he built this stock. There's the sway bar up front he used. Yeah. It's got the top mounted in the center and the bottom mounted on the inside. Alright, here's what underneath the chassis looks like here. There's the arms. Straight how the kit recommends. No titanium on here yet, but it's probably coming. But yeah. Anyway, guys, it's your boy RCVitals. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see y'all guys at the track. My next race is Palmetto Classic, so hopefully see y'all there. But yeah, this is Joe's ASCO new TLR e-buggy. Yeah, thank y'all guys. I'll talk at you later.